When we think of tunnel building, we think of massive, billion-dollar boring machines or high-stakes explosions. But in China, a new magic gear is taking over, the static coring method. Instead of brute force, engineers are using water grinding drills mounted on small excavators to drill tunnels one hole at a time. It looks slow, but it's actually a stroke of genius. By removing rock in controlled cores, they eliminate the vibrations of blasting and the massive footprint of a TBM. This allows them to build tunnels directly under cities and schools without anyone ever knowing they are there. It's a reminder that sometimes the most amazing engineering isn't the biggest machine, but the smartest one. Welcome to the future of the workshop, where precision meets simplicity. This isn't a complex robot, it's a masterclass in mechanical engineering. Using 7 ultra-strong magnetic switches, the rails lock onto the workpiece with a satisfying click. A large gear and for precision wheels ensure the carriage glides with zero vibration. There's no complex code or computer here, just a simple clutch, an adjustable beam, and one button. The result, a bead so perfect it looks like it was made in a vacuum. This is magic gear at its best, making the hardest jobs look like a walk in the park. We're told that modern cars are built entirely by robots, but that's a lie. Inside every high-tech vehicle is a piece of magic gear that no machine can replicate, the brake pipe. While robots are great at simple welds, these pipes require angles so complex they cause machine interference. Basically, the robot hits itself trying to make the bend. To solve this, car giants rely on the one thing more precise than a computer, the human hand. It's not just about skill, it's about survival. If we automated this, your car's price would skyrocket. Gravity is the most unforgiving engineer. In this unloading job, a simple shift in center of gravity turned a standard load into a total catastrophe. When the truck bed tipped, the front end went airborne, a classic case of an unbalanced load. But watch what happens next. The rescue truck tries to pull it forward, but the force is applied at the wrong angle. By pulling sideways, it essentially acts as a lever, accelerating the tip rather than stopping it. This is not a waterfall. It's 6,000 tons of coal pouring into a cargo ship every single hour. To put that in perspective, imagine filling an entire football field in just minutes. This massive engineering marvel is designed for one thing: speed. It's a continuous, crushing stream of energy that looks almost liquid. It's the sheer power of logistics and mechanical gear working at a scale most people never see. This is how the world stays powered. This looks like a simple task, but in the world of high-end craftsmanship, 1 inch is the difference between a masterpiece and a total loss. Middle sights, top, a true craftsman doesn't fight the stone. He talks to it, the marble trembled, the strike was perfect. But nature had the final word, a jagged scar. A day's wages gone in a second. This is the reality of the craft. Precision has a sound. It's the click of 50 chrome steel balls falling perfectly into place. Installing a ball nut isn't just about assembly. It's about mastering micron-level tolerances. Watch the magic gear method. We use a custom sleeve to guide the bearings into the spiral. No gaps, no friction, just pure mathematical harmony. How do you drive a massive steel sheet piled deep into solid earth without it buckling? You don't use more force, you use magic gear. This is the water jet perforation system. It looks like a standard pile driver, but at the tip, a high-pressure jet is literally melting the soil. By turning the ground into a temporary liquid, friction disappears. This allows the machine to slide tons of steel into the earth with surgical precision. It's the perfect blend of brute force and fluid dynamics, making the impossible look easy. Warning: dangerous behavior. Do not imitate. This isn't just driving. This is man and machine as one. Most operators would turn around and walk away from a 1.05 meter wide staircase, but for this master, it's just another day at the office. The secret isn't in the tracks, it's in the synergy between the boom, the dozer blade, and gravity. As he descends backward, he uses the hydraulic arm to catch the machine's weight, fighting that terrifying free fall sensation. On a platform so narrow that one track literally hangs in the air, there is zero room for fear. It takes nerves of steel and a lifetime of experience to turn a 10-ton machine into a surgical instrument. Building the modern skyline requires a special kind of magic gear. Watch as this specialized crane handles a massive curtain wall panel with the delicacy of a feather. The secret lies in the multi-point suction pads, which distribute thousands of pounds of pressure across the glass surface. This technology has transformed high-rise construction, turning a dangerous, multi-hour job into a fast, automated process. But don't be fooled, the machine only does half the work. The rest is down to the operators, who must guide these glass giants into place with millimeter-level accuracy. There is something hypnotic about watching a thick steel rod transform into a tapered masterpiece. This is the art of swaging. Whether it's a shell-forming machine or a precision tapering rig, the goal is the same: absolute seamless perfection. Watch how the metal flows like liquid under the high-speed hammering of the dies. In industries where a fraction of a millimeter means the difference between success and failure, rotary swaging is the gold standard. There is a monster known as the double-cylinder hydraulic shear. Imagine a set of scissors so powerful that can bring down a massive gantry crane in minutes. This isn't brute force, it's amazing engineering. While traditional tools struggle, the dual-cylinder system creates a balanced, crushing pressure that turns solid steel into scrap metal without a single wasted motion. It's quiet, it's safe, and it's terrifyingly efficient. Watch as it bites through I-beams like they were toothpicks.